In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tables or databases to appear side by side in Notion. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can set it up in less than 5 minutes. First, let's dive into your Notion workspace, known for being a wonderful platform for wikis, documents, and projects. Once you're on the Notion homepage, log in using your credentials. If you're not already there, Notion Home is your starting point. Simply head there to get started. Once you've logged in and navigated to your Notion workspace, the next step is to open a page. This is where we'll be working our magic. Choose any page where you want to display your tables or databases side by side. You can also create a new page if you want to start from scratch. After opening a page, let's talk about how you can actually arrange your content side by side. This is accomplished with what's called a column layout. All you need to do is type in 2 columns into the page. This command will instantly transform your single column layout into 2 neat columns. It might seem simple, but this 2-column setup is critical for organizing content in a more visually appealing and efficient way. Now that you've got your columns, the next thing we need is to bring in your databases or tables. To do this, type in linked view of database. This command allows you to embed an existing database onto your page in the same column. You'll see a list of all your current databases. Select the one you want, and it'll appear right there on the page. Repeat this process to bring another table or database into the adjacent column. This arrangement not only improves the aesthetic of your page, but also makes accessing and comparing data more convenient than ever. So, there you have it. A simple, streamlined approach to placing tables or databases side by side in Notion. This technique allows you to leverage the full potential of Notion's organizational capabilities, perfect for anyone looking to boost productivity and clarity in their workspace. Remember, the beauty of Notion is its flexibility, so feel free to adapt this setup to suit your specific needs. Whether you're managing projects, tracking progress, or organizing information, having your data displayed side by side can make a world of difference in efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!